everyone. Today we are going to discuss or share a Warpage analysis with also a case study. This is Casey from Modex 3D. Before we start, I would like to share the outline with you. So most of the Warpage challenges in current, there are a lot percentage Warpage is designed in. And after we finish the Warpage current modern manufacturing, then we will discuss how we are able to use an online training program to help on not only on the design phase, but also on the tooling, material, and process. And then we will go to look on the material property on the PVT relationship, and then understanding the root cause of cooling, the differential cooling, and also differential shrinkage. And then in the end, we will share a case study. First, this is probably the most of current design workflow. Most of designers, after they finish the design is frozen. And then we'll send the design to the tooling team or simulation team. So the simulation team can work either with the tooling group, or once they are seeing some of the needed of design change, then they will need to go to design again, which might cost a lot of time consuming. As we are able to see a lot of challenges, either on the sync mark or warpage or shrinkage, etc. It's all, most of the time they are from the part design level. In order to reduce the tooling or manufacturing, which if we are able to see those potential issues and then solve it in the early part design level, then the tooling cost or manufacturing cost will be much less, and then the timing will be shorter. And that is why we are seeing more and more running simulation in the early part design level, and then doing more iteration on the part design level. Once the part is optimized, and then the part design could send to the tooling group and start from the tooling. One thing I would also like to share is a lot of part designers, when they are designing a part, if they don't understand the part is a famous material or this is a semi-crystallized material, because the material shrinkage are different. And this is why we are trying to help to make sure on the part design level, they are able to work with the tooling or with the process or with the material engineers. So that's why we work a company, Cruise Training, to provide an online training program. And this training program including the molding fundamental, from the part design, mold design and process, and molding defect.